Give me a moment. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So we have come here to celebrate Eid. So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate one of the two very important festival celebrated all around the world by Muslims. That is Eid ul Adha. It has a lot of significance and importance. To share that importance and significance with all of us, we have our very own friends from grade 4. I welcome the students from grade 4 to share their views on Eid ul Adha. Over to you, children.
Okay, ma'am. On this day, people offer Eid ul Adha prayers, namaz, at the mosque. The holy prayers of Eid ul Adha are performed early in the morning, immediately after the sunrise. People wish each other by hugging and saying Eid Mubarak.
Eid ul Adha is about prayers, charity, and gatherings with loved ones. It is a celebration where people spread love, positivity, and happiness among the people around. Over to you.
Thank you, Vihan. The festivity is not limited within the house. People give charity and share food, gifts, and enlighten the underprivileged families. The food is divided in three equal parts, one for the poor people, one for the neighbors, friends, and relatives. And the last part is for sale. Over to you, Dishita. Thank you, Yug. Eid ul Adha signifies the aspect of sharing is caring in human hinds. It is all about helping one another and making the world a better place, which is prime lesson of the supreme entity above all.
Eid, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Ma'am, you're on mute, I think.
Eid Mubarak, everyone. To end the assembly, I wish everyone from all of you a very happy and a peaceful Eid. May God accept our good deeds and forgive our sins and ease the sufferings of people all around the world. May He accept all our prayers and all our wishes. So, last time, a very, very happy Eid. Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Eid Mubarak!
I hope you enjoy this festival at home. Children, once you leave this link,